What if you've got a website with lots of code snippets and you go and get one from ChatGPT or somewhere else and it actually causes a bit of a fatal error across your website? You try and deactivate the code snippet and you're still having issues. If you can access your file manager, you can disable every single code snippet, so you can now methodically go through and sort out what the problem was. Here's what you need to do. I'm on a SiteGround server. Now, this does depend on your hosting provider, but you got to make sure you can access your file manager or your cPanel or anything like that. I'm going to go into this website. I'm going to go to public HTML, and you'll then see a file called wp-config.php. So all you got to do is get into your file manager, go to public HTML, and then wp-config.php. You then scroll down right to the bottom and you'll see a line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing," or happy blogging, depending on what version you got. What you want to do is you want to paste this little bit of code here. Define code snippets safe mode, okay? This is where it goes. Once you've done that, you hit save. By the way, though, please do take a backup before you do anything like this. When you now go into your WordPress website, well, you'll be able to access it. Let's just say it's gone down because of a fatal error caused by a snippet. You will now be able to access it, and you can now remove that particular snippet. That code will be in the video description. Remember, public HTML, wp-config.php. I'm Imran Web Squadron. See you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, 'cause I sing.